I'm an introvert. I prefer not having people around me, because all they do is talk. With the dark visor on, I can be invisible, a ghost, a fleeting image somewhere in the vast expanse of the universe. Inside my helmet there's no talking, just listening to the twin roarings, the surroundings, the wind. I can smell the pines, I can smell the trees. I ride the rolling thunder and disappear as quick as I appear, just like lightning, without as much as a word. I'm a biker, I'm a rebel, this is who I am. Oh yeah. I'm a bad dog. On a cool bike I ride. I'm wanted, dead or alive. Wanted, dead or alive.